Hello, welcome. Let's look at this question. This is on indices exponential equation. We have to find the value of x in 8 exponent 2x plus 1 equals to 1 over 512. Remember, under exponential equation, we only want to rewrite the two sides of the equal sign to be the same, meaning the same base on the left, the same base on the right. Then the exponent will also be the same. That is the true meaning of the equal sign. Whatever is on the left should be the same as the right. And I'm seeing fraction here, meaning I have to reduce the fraction to be a whole number as in this form. Remember, we have 1 over a n, that is a exponent n, is given as what? A exponent negative n. So this is also 1 over a number. Then we can also rewrite this in this form. Or we maintain it and look at the 8. 8 being the base here, meaning 512 can also be expressed as what? The base 8. If you multiply 8 a series of times, you should be able to get 512. So let's see. 8 times 8 is 64. 64 times 8 will give us the 512, meaning we are multiplying 3 different times. So I'll rewrite this as 8 exponent of 2x plus 1 is equals to 1 over 8 exponent what? 3. We have equal base now. We are having fraction and a single term. So I can go back with this law, which says that 1 over an index. We are going to rewrite the index to have a negative exponent. So that I'll be writing 8 exponent 2x plus 1 is equals to 8 exponent of what? Minus 3. Right from here to this, based on this property. So now that we have the same base, which is the meaning of the equal sign, the bases are the same. That also means that the exponents are also the same. Meaning the whole of this exponent is the same as minus 3 if we know what the x stands for. So let's equate the exponent and see. Meaning I'll be having 2x plus 1 equals to minus 3. This becomes a linear equation whereby we need to subtract 1 from both sides, leaving us 2x equals to minus 3, then minus 1. I think we can continue with the 2x. Minus 3 minus 1 will give you minus 4. So we have minus 4, but we need the x to be alone. So we divide by that coefficient that the x is carrying. So divide by 2, making 2x out of 2 minus 4 out of 2. So x is going to be, when 2 goes into 4, that will be 2 times, but negative. So negative 2 become the value of x. When you put negative 2 here, that means negative 2 is multiplying what? 2. This 2 times negative 2 plus 1. And that will be negative 4 plus 1. And that will give you negative 3, which we are seeing here. Since the base are the same, the exponent here will also be minus 3. I guess you follow through. Like, share, and comment. Bye-bye.